Hi Ruedi, tell us about your project here at Blue Zone.
I'm collecting jeans since 50 years, and this is half a century, showing up a little bit from my jeans museum, some expos, 75 items, the story on the posters. On the right hand side, some of my personal worn items. On the left hand side, embroideries. On the other side, some Rodney purists and serial faders with crazy faders.
And how many jeans did you bring from your archive for this exhibition?
69 pieces, and added 4 pieces from Björn Mangels.
And how many suitcases were 69 pieces?
4 suitcases.
4 suitcases.
70 kilos.
7, that's not bad.
Many of blanket line jackets.
Blanket line, the heaviest ones.
Yeah.
Amazing. Well, many congratulations. It's such a great exhibition.
Thank you very much. I made also a brochure.
Did you? Oh, I'd love to get one.
You can get one.
Oh.
You can take 2. For the students, I have a lot of them.
Oh, amazing.
If you like.
I will take a few more, yeah.
Go for it. It's in bad Swiss mountain English, but
oh, I like bad Swiss mountain English.
I didn't have the time to revise it.
No, thank you so much for what you do for our community as well. It's amazing, and I'm so happy that the guys at Blue Zone are supporting you. So yeah, that's awesome. And Candiani, they will support you as well. So you've got
Candiani then is also a movie running on the screen on the other side.
Yeah, lots of good support.
Have done a lot for me.
Brilliant. Thank you again, Ruedi.
You're welcome. Have a good time.